sleeper iguana. Got you iguanas. I'll take that. Okay guys, we're back at the marina and we're doing mostly noosing here. The iguanas don't quite go in the trap very often here. They have a lot of options on where to hide. And so the spiny tail is sitting right by the seawall. We're gonna see if we can pop them off with the air gun. We feel like it's a safe shot with that concrete backstop and we're shooting towards the ground. It's dirt.
It did Michael Jordan on that last one. It's still trying to wiggle its way down in that hole. Ooh.
That's that other big female.
Just all you see is the head leaking.
Girls never show color like this. Look at this. It almost looks like a male. Look at that. Man, they have old spiny tails here. I wonder how old these are. Wow. Look at that skin. Got you, spiny tail.
It's a fresh peel. That's a huge spawning.
I got the green and spike. We got the girl spiny. I'm gonna put these two in a picture. Got you, iguanas. Hey guys, so we just finished up getting iguanas here. There's very few still around for us to get, so we're able to get in and out pretty quickly. But we finally got the large male. This big male spiny tail had been sneaking into the concrete slab crack by the seawall, and this is a female that was just a little ways down. We actually got 3 of these large females like this, and since she's in the middle of shedding, she is absolutely fantastic. So we're at a place where there are airplanes, trains, and semi-trucks non-stop. Look at the skin on this female. So we're thinking about freezing this female and this particularly blonde male and seeing if we can't do something with these skins, since they do seem a bit special. Again, we're still using the Atomic XR. Today I was using the Rangemaster 18 grain because it's what I had in the truck. Although the JSB heavies do seem to shoot a little smoother. Got you, iguanas. Oh, you can see the burrowing owl right there. And there's a bunch of iguanas hanging out to the left, and they'll scare and come this way. There's one right there. They're moving. There's 2 iguanas to the left of the tree with the wrap.
I see.
There's one on top of the hill, and then there's 2 over in the grass. I'm going for the one that's on the hill because it's a good shot to take. Probably 25 yards. Got a little bit of a wind. Right to left. Oh, I just barely went under his chin. My magazine is not always rotating. Oh no, it is. It stay still, stay still. Another iguana's running at us right now. You see him? He's coming along the fence. And then there's another iguana coming towards us. That one's going up the tree right here. See the little one going up the tree? I'm going for the one on the ground. Another one just appeared at the fence. Got that one at the fence corner.
Bubba's
New one
coming
just
in to
joined
check
him.
it out.
Shot him just low. Got that one.
Did he go up the tree?
I don't know where that. There he is. He's going up this tree right here in front of us. This main branch. See if we get movement a little higher. I saw him about midway. We'll have to check in this tree in just a second. There's an iguana at the bottom of the wrap tree.
Just over it.
Yeah, it was. Got him. He's laying with his friend there. Now there's two at the bottom of that tree. There's an iguana right here along the side of the fence. Not anymore. Okay, so we started to get the one along the fence, and whenever we got out of the truck, it made all of them scramble. We probably should have stayed in the truck, tried to get as much as we could, and then got out for the one that was along the fence. We did end up getting him. He's right here along the fence. The other two that were shot at the base of the tree are right here. Nice little pool. And the one that we shot at the corner of the fence coming around is right here. So we did get 4 of them, but that probably was only 4 out of about 10. And we had a huge one go up the tree that just disappeared up there on us. It's really frustrating iguana hunting sometimes that you can't find the iguana that you just saw. So yeah, we got a few iguanas, but we're gonna get some more here. Got you, iguana. All right, there was an iguana that went up this tree right here. Last time I saw it, he was about right here. Since we know it went in this half of the tree, we're pretty confident we can follow this up. And if you follow it straight up, you'll see the iguanas right there. Pretty close shot. Probably about 10 yards.
Ooh, stressed him out.
Yeah, I think he's a dangler now. Let's see.
Let's see his head hanging over.
Let's see.
His head's just sticking. Yeah, tap him one more time. Yeah, I'm shocked you were able to get him like that. With all the instructions.
Yeah, he's really dangling now.
He's about to fall.
Got you, iguana. We got an iguana right here about 17 yards, I would guess.
And you have another to the left of him.
Oh, we have this close one.
Yeah, I thought that's what you were gonna go for first.
Got you, iguana.
Lay him down.
Got you,
Ooh,
iguana.
lay him down. Go ahead, scout.
There she is. The very top. Now we're looking at maybe 30, 35 yards. Pull out the rangefinder right there, that black thing. Holding 1.5 under. Got you, iguana. Now we're gonna range it, that black thing right there. Iguana was 27 yards. Got you, iguana. Okay guys, the weather's been really bad in the last few days, so we've had minimal chances to shoot. There's 2 spiny tails up on top of this roof. See if we can get a decent shot off on them. Probably a good 35 yards away, so we're gonna be aiming low.
You're going for the one with his head pursed up?
The one to the right, yeah. Got the one on the right. left. One is right there laying on the tile, in the dip of the tile.
Right. Might have to climb up to locate the second one.
The other one's looking at us right there. See the broken tiles? See the broken tiles? In
Yeah,
the
I see
middle,
that. Yeah,
there's
yeah.
one head looking at us. Right there, peeking over. Get low.
Low.
Again. Got it. See the tail going up? So this is the house with iguanas living in the broken tiles at the top, and they've been pretty sneaky. We've had trouble finding them, but today there were 2 out. It's not slippery at all. You should let me take the camera and show you this.
I mean, I could just come myself.
Let's go take a look at this spiny tail that we got. This is the broken tile section that they're living in. Look at the spiny tail we got in there. Look at that shot. Got you, spiny tail. We were way down there. So that's one. Look at the turd in there. Yes, indeed. So spiny tails live in here like a cave. And there was a second one that we shot right here. Hoo hoo hoo, take that shot. Right through the head. Got you, spiny tails. So we got a juvenile and a female. An adult female. So see the poop? This is where they're living up here. We're gonna get them off their roof, and then they're gonna get their couple tiles fixed. Got you, iguana. Okay guys, so we tried to drive away after getting our 2 spiny tails right here. These 2 guys. And there's a third one on the roof, so let's get him. Actually, just at the ridge right here. Looking at about 40 yards, 35 minimum. Oh no. I think I'm out of shot. Let me get up. Here.
Wow.
Good one. Probably 35, 40 yards. We're shooting the 14 grain JSB Jumbo Express, I think is what they're called. But they shoot real clean out of this gun. So do the 18 grain, but that was a 14. Got you, iguana. Number 3. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, he's laid out up here. Good spotting him, man. Like, he was such a tiny thing to see on the roof.
Here.
You gonna take it with us? Let's go check out the shots. Here we go. Sneaky other one. See, they've sealed off their roof here so spiny tails can't get in. Very few roofs have it done. Look how blue this spiny tail is, y'all. He has a blue-green tinge to him. Look at that. Got you, spiny tail. Ooh, look at that shot. Through the ear. Ooh, I was way over there by the truck. Probably 35, 40 yards. I'll go and get the rangefinder, see if I can get y'all a real number on it. Got him in the ear, Jermaine. Got you, Iguana. Alright guys, we have an iguana up on the roof. We've taken well over 30 iguanas here in 2 weeks, and there's just very few left, it seems. So we've been seeing this guy up on the roof. He was there last week. We're gonna see if we can get a shot off on him real quick. Probably about 25 yards where he's at right now, maybe even 30. I'm gonna hold just under. Rolling off. We're gonna go up there and go grab him. Got you, iguana. Maybe this iguana's about 18 yards away, a little over 20, or right at 20. Yeah. Got you, iguana.
Hey, that's that iguana wiggle.
Yeah, you can see his tail still wiggling. Come on, there was a couple more. Just past the borders. Spider and iguana going down this dock. He's now down the dock past the boards. I don't want to shoot up their boards. I'm going to try to get around them. Little jump here. Up high again.
Yeah, he just tucked his head down a little bit, making for a smaller target. Oh, she got him over there jiggling. Ooh.
Right above the boards. So I'm gonna hold him over here so he stops getting on their dock. I don't want to freak the people out because this isn't a... Thank you. Alright, he moved up a little bit. He's watching us really closely like he's gonna try to swim across. We want to be able to retrieve him. Something look at the load here. Oh, my color's too. A little further. I want to get the closer.
I think he's probably about 25, 30 yards out.
Now he's close to the 20, 25. Of course he's going to take a step in. Running the egg. I don't see him now. Get down here.
Yeah, might want to step down.
I don't see him now.
May have a hole.
Hey. Yeah, block.
So our iguana has entered into this thick this brush.
We got an iguana right here. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more of the bushes in the back stuff. That might be on. It's hanging right here. I think he's gone. Yeah. You see it hanging? I'm
trying. It's hard to spot. They blend up so well. It's only about
8 yards away at this point. I knocked it out now. It's a dangler, as one of the viewers called it. I can't find him so close up. Give me a second. There he is.
Man, he's a trooper, huh?
Should be right here. Oh, see. Ah, is that blood on me?
Yep.
Oh. Okay. He's somewhere right here. Here, look. Ah!
Yeah, it's blood all in your face.
I mean, like dripping all right here. But I can't see him.
Oh.
Look at all this blood. We just can't find the iguana. Look at all that. Look, running down it. Look on this branch over here. It's like, look, he's dripping on me, my arm. But where is he?
Where's the iguana? They're so hard to spot.
Oh, I see his tail. I see his tail. Oh, can we pull?
Look at the
His
blood.
tail is right above me, right there. See the tail going diagonal that way? I'll point at the tail in the picture. Right, you gotta zoom. There's the tail in the middle of the screen. You might have, oh, there's the iguana.
Blood in my eye.
There's the actual iguana. He is not alive. All right, we'll come back and pull him out. I can see him now.
Yeah, that's true.
And Jermaine, he shook him out the tree just now for me. So, look at that headshot. Dot in the middle of the head. And this side doesn't even have an eye. Got you, iguana. Guys, we spotted a big iguana right here on the corner of the roof. This is the neighborhood where we pull iguanas off of roofs. So here we go. Difficult to get this angle in.
Oh, he didn't like that.
He's blind right now.
Oh my goodness. What?
Got you, iguana.
Ooh. Yeah, you gave him something to think about.
No more thinking at all. Alright guys, last time we were here, I told you that I was going to show you a tree that we had saved on this property. We're at an HOA and then we're having entire trees die. So I cannot find the old photos, but this tree right here is a moringa tree. I might be saying it a little wrong. They make tea from it. The lady who planted it from a seed is was the caretaker of the homeowners here, and they all live here. And they used to make tea every day, she said, and the iguanas completely were killing the tree. So the landscapers had chopped it off right here, which is why you see all these lumps. When I came here, this was a chopped off tree. You can barely see the top here. And it was just this single thing. You could still see where my wrap was on the tree. And over a year, it grew into this 30-foot tree. It was chopped off at the top. No branches, nothing. It had nothing. And then there was a smaller one over here. You could see this 2-year-old iguana shield that it's outgrown. But this was about this big around, so you can see the incredible growth that's gotten from it. And they had put some tape to cover the zip ties to keep even babies out of it. And this one's about a similar size. You can see that it's starting to bust it. But the tree is busting the wraps because it's outgrown it. But now they can make their tea. And apparently they make a number of edibles from this tree, and it's kind of like one of those superfoods with lots of antioxidants and stuff like that, and lots of nutrients. So it's a really healthy thing for these people to be able to incorporate into their diet, and we're so happy to be able to help them get it back into their diet because we can keep the iguanas off of it. Now the tree's to the point to where when a few iguanas eat off of it, it still survives because we are here to maintain the iguana population and keep it low, but a few get away with eating off of it, but they don't kill it now. We also want to send a special Happy Father's Day out to all the awesome fathers out there. Happy Father's Day to my dad, Captain Bill. Happy Father's Day to Jermaine, holding the camera, who's a great father for my 2 children. And Happy Father's Day to a special fan, Mr. Steve Stevenson. Your children, Amanda, Tammy, and Bill, wanted to send you a happy Father's Day. They know that you watch our videos, which we greatly appreciate, and we hope that you enjoy this Father's Day as well.